Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Short Stories of Imam Sultan Muhammad Shah. Story 1. Once a person having tall physique entered Kandi Maula Jumat Khana, Bombay. His head all of a sudden dashed with the hanging chandelier, which fell and smashed. Nobody said anything in the Jumat Khana to him, since it was an accident, but he took it very seriously. In his Mehmani, he sought forgiveness from Imam Sultan Muhammad Shah. The Imam said, "You will need to pay me 8,75,000 rupees for remission, because one Ismaili had purchased the chandelier in 7 rupees and presented in the Jumat Khana. I have recompensated him 8,75,000 rupees at the rate of 1,25,000 rupees. Sawa lakh. I advise you to go to the Mukhi and seek forgiveness in the negligible rate." Story 2. Missionary Juma Bhagat always wore simple clothes, such as simple coat with strings and a cotton cap of 4 annas. Once Imam Sultan Muhammad Shah asked him, "Jumma, what attires you have worn, such dress and cap?" He said, "Maula, for whom I have to exhibit such costly appearance? I may die tomorrow." The Imam laughed and said, "Everyone has to die, but there is no description in the Quran or Hadith that one should live in immoral state. Look, you are my missionary and representative. The people will say how the missionary of Aga Khan lives in base condition. You wear best clothes, which does not mean pompous attire or overdress, but ordinary, having simplicity in pant and coat, so that the people will respect you. Your respect is my regard of consideration." Jumma Bhagat assured that he would follow Imam's orders.